about waxing with strips on hard hair. I have a really hard hair cause I was using a razor, so they come really hard. So these are 20 strips in this box, and this is the essential daily care waxing strips, and I bought this box for just only $10. I am not a fan of wheat waxing strips cause I feel they are hard to use. So see what's come in this box. This is just letter for instructions, and these are for after wax 1, 2, 3 and 4, and waxing strips. Yeah, and so I take one waxing strip. These are really handy. I feel these are like a normal wax strip like we are doing when honey bee wax on a body. This strip is same as like that, so it's a handy. I can show you a wheat strip. When I apply this on my body like this, when I pull like this or in this direction, I feel hard. Sometimes it's not comes off with the less pressure, so I don't like these waxing strips. I recommend this one. Simply just rub it before use, so it will be equal on both sides. So after that I will simply peel it like this. And one more thing, I am feeling a really less pain when I am using these strips. Whenever you are pulling your waxing strip, don't pull like this, you will have to pull like this. So for experience, use these strips. It depends on you which one you like. So let's start the video. Start waxing on my legs. I have really hard hair. I will show you guys and you will see the result. Watch complete video what you will have to do after wax. I will show you all the procedure. Okay, thank you. So please, before start, please subscribe my channel and like my video if you like. If any fault in my video, please do comment and please subscribe my channel. So guys, you can see all the hairs in front of camera on my leg. They are looking really light in front of camera, but you can't believe they are really hard. And I will show you one strip after remove them. So first I am rubbing the strip. Please rub the strip so it will stick completely on your hair. Now I'm going to pull it. The leftovers 1 or 2 hair I will remove at the end, or you can remove them with a razor blade easily if you are feeling hard to do one by one hair which are left. So I can show you a strip. Look at this. Oh my god, I have too many hairs. I was using a razor blade from 8 months and these are now my hairs. Please never do razor on your legs, underarms. I will start now on underarms as well. I don't know how I will do that, but I will do that because I don't want hard hair anymore. If you are thinking that your hairs are harder than mine, then I'm gonna give you a tip. Apply wheat hair removal cream or any other whichever you have. Apply all over on your hair except face. You can't apply that on your face. After that leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and remove the hairs with the help of razor. Do this procedure 2 to 3 times and after that you will get a 20 to 30% softer hair. After that you can start waxing and carry on with waxing for future. Hence it will be easier for you guys. The benefit of waxing is that you can see now my dead skin is removed. My feet are looking darker than my leg now. After done waxing, don't scrub your legs or any part of body it will harsh your skin. To remove the leftover of wax, you can apply coconut oil after done whole waxing. I have done my whole leg and I'm applying coconut oil. It will remove all the leftover. Your hands and leg will not be as sticky. So massage it. You can see the finishing look of waxing, how smooth my legs are looking. Now I am applying a moisturizer. I put the moisturizer in ice tray and hence the all redness will gone. Check my other video to know the benefits of frozen moisturizer, how it can help to renew your skin. I will give the link in description box of that video. Believe me, this is really amazing and it will cool your waxed area. Now I will remove it with tissue, or you can remove it when you will go for bath. Okay, bye guys, I hope you like my videos. I will see you in next video tomorrow. So bye, please thumbs up if you like my video. Bye.